Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and your finger so the sensor can register reliably. Open Settings, then tap Passwords and Biometrics and choose Fingerprint. Once they're select Add Fingerprint. You need an unlocked device. If you have a PIN or pattern, enter it when prompted. Make sure the sensor area and your finger are clean and dry so registration succeeds. If using a case that covers the sensor, remove it now to expose the reader fully before starting the scan. Now you perform the actual enrollment by following the on-screen prompts and moving your finger as requested. Place the center pad of your finger on the sensor, lift when it vibrates, then reposition slightly. Repeat slowly so the phone captures multiple contact points. Rotate your finger to capture edges and different angles, include the tip and both sides, because that improves match accuracy. Watch the progress indicator. Once it reaches full registration, the phone confirms the fingerprint is safe. Finish by locking the phone and testing the new fingerprint several times to verify quick, reliable unlocks. If you expect different grips, add extra fingerprints for alternate angles or other fingers so you avoid misses. If recognition is inconsistent, clean the sensor and re-enroll the print. Also remove or replace screen protectors and cases that interfere. Once done, ensure MIUI is up to date because firmware fixes can improve biometric performance, and reconfigure or delete entries if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.